Namaskar children, this is Disha ma'am and we are going to learn English. Yesterday we completed the topic of plug-in, that is present continuous tense in your textbook. I hope you all have done yesterday's homework. What was yesterday's homework? It was writing 7 sentences in your notebook of that picture, right? Hope you have done that. Those who have any problems regarding that can call me up. In case if I'm not reachable at times, please leave a text message or WhatsApp me on my number. Now, today we have already completed the chapter. The textual exercises are already done. Today I'll be discussing with you the question answers of chapter number 2, that is family, right? And after that, with this video I'll be sending you the answers of the questions also, so that in case if you don't want to write by your own your words, you can copy it from the same, right? Chale, then take out the textbook, page number 28. There are the questions. Question number 2, answer the following questions, right? Chale, what is the role of queen bee? What is the role of queen bee? Queen bee क्या करती है? In the chapter we have learned, and in the videos, अगर आप Google कर रहे, if you see the videos, you'll find out that queen bee does not do anything. Queen bee just lays the eggs, right? She lays the eggs and she runs the whole hive. She's not working, she runs the whole hive. Clear? You can find the answer of that page on somewhere on the page 26. If you can see there, second last paragraph, last line, the queen bee lays eggs and runs the whole hive. Can you see that? 26 page number, second last paragraph, last line. The queen bee lays eggs and runs the whole hive. Don't worry if you don't find the answer, that's fine. इस video के साथ ही I'll be sending the answer so that you can copy it from there also, to avoid the grammatical errors or to the punctuation marks. Make sure जो PDF आपको मैं send कर रही हूँ उसी हिसाब से आप लिखेंगे. If there is a comma, you'll put a comma. If there is a full stop, you'll put a full stop. If there is a capital letter, you will put the capital letter. Alright? Chalo. So, what is the role of queen bee? A queen bee lays eggs and runs the whole hive. Chalo. Next. What do the worker bees do? Worker bees क्या करते हैं? They do everything, every sort of work. Again, come to page number 26, last paragraph. The other bees are worker bees. They take care of different things such as building the honeycomb, cleaning it, feeding the young ones, and making honey. Some bees act as guard to protect the hive. So आप क्या लिख सकते हैं? Answer लिख सकते हैं. The worker bees take care of different things such as building the honeycomb, cleaning it, feeding the young ones, and making honey. Some bees act as guards to protect the hive. Right? Chalo, so tick that column and you can write the answer of question number 2. Now, what is the sugary liquid called that bees collect from flowers? We already know that bees go to different flowers and they collect something. What is that called? Yes, they are called nectar. What is that liquid called? Nectar. So the answer would be the sugary liquid is called nectar that bees collect from flowers. Or you can write the sugary liquid that bees collect from flowers is called nectar. Clear? Shall I repeat it? The sugary liquid that bees collect from flowers. That is all from the text question itself. The sugary liquid that bees collect from flowers is called nectar. चलिए next, full stop लगाना मत भूलिएगा, right? चलिए next. Why do bees fan their wings over hive? We have seen, अगर आपने गूगल किया हो, मैंने बोला था कि आप वीडियो देखें. अगर आपने देखा हो कि how do bees make honey bee, why do they basically fan their wings? Because the liquid which they collected, the nectar from the flowers which they have collected and they store in the hive, that is watery and light. So to make that sticky, what do? They fan their wings up over the hive to make that nectar उसमें से जो watery part है, जो water है वो सूख जाए, for that reason. So the answer of this question, why do the bees fan their wings over hives, is on page 27. You can see जहाँ पे आपका word meaning वाला box है, that paragraph, right? 5th line. The bees very smartly fan their wings over the hive to remove the water. तो हम answer किस तरह से लिखेंगे? We'll write the answer that way, that the nectar collected from flower is watery and light. To remove the excess water, the bees fan their wings. Clear? So आपको ये basically पता चल गया why do they fan their wings? To extra water remove करने के लिए. अगर आपको पता हो बारिश आती है जब बाहर, तब मम्मा घर में पंखे के नीचे अपने कपड़े सुखा देते हैं. Why? Because when the fanning is done, excess water is being absorbed. Clear? Same way, this collected nectar is very watery. To remove that water, bees fan their wings. Clear? Don't write the answer. I'll be sharing the answer copy with you. Right? Shall we move to the next one? How do bees store their honey in a man-made hives? Now, man-made hives, we know that there are boxes and they build their honeycomb over there. Again, it is on page 27, the second last paragraph, fourth line. It is like a stack of boxes. Inside the boxes are the several partitions where bees build honeycombs for storing their honey. Where do they store their honey in the man-made hives? In the partitions, in the stacks where it is having the partitions. There, the honeybees store their honey. Again, I'll be sending you the answers, so don't worry to recollect the answer. Basically, आपको ये answers मुजुबानी आने चाहिए. Format अगर आप मैं यहाँ से दे रही हूँ तो that is fine. But if you are sure that you know this answer, that means you have gone through the chapter very well. Clear? Chal. So these are the question answers of the chapter. Now question number 3, that is think and answer. Think and answer, again you have to think. It is not in the chapter, right? But we need to think ऐसा क्यों हुआ होगा. For this I'll not be giving you the answer key. What I'll do is I'll share it tomorrow. What I'll do is I want you to think about it and give me the answers in the voice messages. वॉइस मैसेज आप सबको आते हैं व्हाट्सएप में, वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग्स होता है. ईदर ऑफ द वन आंसर, चॉइस इज योर्स. मैं दोनों आंसर्स आपके साथ डिस्कस तो करूंगी ही, लेकिन फिर भी इन योर वर्ड्स, इन योर सेंटेंसेस, हाउ यू फ्रेम द आंसर, आई वांट टू हियर दैट. सो आप क्या करेंगे? यू विल बी गिविंग मी द आंसर्स इन द ऑडियोज, राइट? यू हैव टू सेंड टू मी. मुझे बहुत सारों के, जैसे लास्ट टाइम मैंने फैक्ट पेज दिया था, आई रिसीव्ड मैनी फैक्ट पेजेस फ्रॉम योर साइड, बट देन टू ऑल्सो आई एक्सपेक्ट कि बहुत सारे बच्चे यहाँ पे मुझे आंसर्स दे. सो पेरेंट्स प्लीज़ हेल्प देम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, थिंक एंड आंसर जो है मैं डिस्कस कर रही हूँ हिंदी में, लेकिन यू विल बी गिविंग मी द आंसर्स इन English, right? And how will you give me the answer? You will audio record the message and send to me in my personal WhatsApp number. Clear? चलिए. So why do bees keep buzzing around the flowers? आपको क्या लगता है bees क्यों घूमते रहते, क्यों करते रहते around the flowers? Think and answer. Right? You have to give me the audio recordings. Second, when the honey is, you can see the picture of that person. When the honey is ready to be harvested, beekeepers wear special clothes that cover their bodies completely. Why do you think beekeepers wear special clothes? उन्होंने ऐसे कपड़े पूरा अपना बॉडी ढक दिया है. क्यों ढक दिया है? Nowadays we see कोरोना वायरस के बहुत सारे वीडियोस डॉक्टर्स के रिलीज हो रहे हैं जो हम देखे हुए. दे आर ऑल वेयरिंग द मास्क एंड यू नो द ग्लव्स इन देयर हैंड्स एंड द होल सूट इज लाइक दैट. So why are they wearing this? The same question in this honeybee also. Why are, you can see the picture on that near to that question. They are wearing a special costume. Why do you think इन्होंने क्यों पहने होंगे ये questions? Think and give me the answer. So it would be today's homework. Question number 3. Think and answer. आप मुझे लिख के नहीं देंगे. You will audio record this answer and give it to me. Right, in my WhatsApp number. Clear? Chali. This is Disha ma'am signing off for today. Thank you.